Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia merilis informasi terbaru operasi militer khusus di Ukraina Sabtu tanggal 23 April. Pada siang hari, 13 aset militer Ukraina dihantam oleh rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi dari pasukan Dirgantara Rusia. Di antara targetnya 2 titik komando, 11 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi tenaga kerja dan peralatan militer Ukraina. Sebagai akibat dari serangan ini, hingga 2 kompi nasionalis dihilangkan. Juga 27 kendaraan lapis baja dan mobil Ukraina, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Selain itu, 1 depot rudal untuk sistem rudal anti-pesawat OSA AKM dihancurkan di Chervonnoe.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. During the day, 13 military assets of Ukraine were hit by high-precision air-based missiles of the Russian aerospace forces. Among them 2 command posts, 11 strong points and areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. As a result of the strikes, up to 2 companies of nationalists were eliminated, as well as 27 Ukrainian armored vehicles and cars. In addition, 1 depot of missiles for OSA AKM anti-aircraft missile systems was destroyed in Chervonnoe. Operational, tactical and army aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 26 military assets of Ukraine, among them 2 command posts and 21 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. 3 missile and artillery weapons depots were destroyed near Toretsky, Kamar and Bogatyr. During the day, missile troops hit 1 command post, 5 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 1 artillery battery, 1 Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopter, 1 Bukan-1 anti-aircraft missile system, as well as 1 electronic warfare.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.